Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we are going to see the topic Ansible roles and ad hoc commands in Ansible. This topic belongs to the fourth unit, that is configuration management using Ansible. For the subject DevOps. First of all, let us see about Ansible roles. Roles provide a framework for fully independent or interdependent collections of variables, tasks, file, templates, and modules. In Ansible, the role is the primary mechanism for breaking a playbook into multiple files. This simplifies writing complex playbooks and it makes them easier to reuse. The breaking of playbook allows you to logically break the playbook into reusable components. Each role is basically limited to a particular functionality or desired output with all the necessary steps to provide that result either within that role itself or in the other roles listed as dependencies. Roles are actually not playbooks. Roles are small functionalities which can be independently used but have to be used within playbooks. There is no way to directly execute a role. Roles have no explicit setting for which host the role will apply to. Top level playbooks are the bridge holding the host from your inventory file to roles that should be applied to those hosts. Creating a new role. The directory structure for roles is essential to create a new role. Role structure. Roles have a structured layout on the file system. The default structure can be changed, but for now let us stick to default. Each role is a directory tree itself. The role name is the directory name within /roles directory. For example, the command is Ansible -galaxy -h. We are having several options while creating the Ansible roles. We can use -h -help, that is shows this help message and exit. -v -verbose, and this is to set verbose mode. Then -version is there, it is to show program's version number and exit. Let us see how to create a role directory. $Ansible galaxy init Vivek role. We are going to create a role. But when we try this, sometimes we may get an error. Then we can apply another method, that is Ansible -galaxy init -force -offline Vivek role. Now the role can be created successfully. So the Vivek role can be created successfully. Now let us see some other codes associated with the Ansible role. So for creating the Ansible roles, there is a task directory under each directory and it contains main.oml file. The main.oml contents of install tomcat. We are going to see the contents of install tomcat role. So in our role install Vivek artifacts, we are having the block with the name install tomcat artifact, and we are having the action with the name demo tomcat1, and we can give the present, we can give the state, we can give the register, and also we can mention several things in always, debug and message tag. The contents of main.oml of the start tomcat are we can give the name and the appropriate command, register value, become value under the block. Also we can give the debug message options under always block. Breaking a playbook into a role. If not for the roles, the content of the main.oml of the respective role can be copied into the playbook OML file, but to have modularity, roles were created. Any logical entity which can be reused as a reusable function, that entity can be moved to rule. The example for this is shown above. So to run the playbook, we have to run the following command: sudo Ansible playbook, and we have to mention the file name, yam file name, and the path of the file name to play the playbook. Now let us see about ad hoc commands in Ansible. Ansible ad hoc commands are single line commands executed directly from the command line on the Ansible control node to perform quick one-time tasks on one or more managed nodes. Unlike playbooks, which are designed for complex, reusable automation, ad hoc commands are ideal for immediate, specific actions. Ad hoc commands are commands which can be run individually to perform quick functions. These commands need not be performed later. For example, you have to reboot all your company servers. For this, you will run the ad hoc command from the path. These ad hoc commands are not used for configuration management and deployment because these commands are of one-time usage. Let us see an example structure of ad hoc command. Ansible pattern -m module -a module option. Here Ansible is the keyword. We have to start the command with this keyword Ansible. Then pattern specifies the target host or group of hosts from your inventory to run the commands on that host. -m module specifies the Ansible module to use. For example, ping module, shell module, apt module, service module, etc. -a module options provide arguments or parameters to the chosen module. For example, there are some ad hoc commands for checking connectivity. We can give the command Ansible all -m ping. For executing shell commands, we can give the command like Ansible web servers -a uptime. Similarly, Ansible databases -m shell -a, we have to give the path of the file name. Managing services, Ansible app service the ad hoc commands for managing services will be like this. That is Ansible app servers -m service -a. We have to mention the name of the service. Also, we have the command for installing packages like Ansible web servers -m apt-a. We have to mention the name of the package as well as we can mention the state of the package. Then we are having the commands for copying the files, rebooting servers, etc. And the key characteristics of ad hoc commands are they are quick and simple. They are designed for rapid execution of individual tasks. They are non-reusable, not intended for complex, repeatable automation as they lack the structure and features of playbooks. Idempotent. Many Ansible modules used in ad hoc commands are idempotent, meaning they check the current state before making changes, ensuring the desired state is achieved without unnecessary operations. It demonstrates Ansible power, provides a straightforward way to understand Ansible's capabilities and module functionality before delivering into playbooks. That's all about the ad hoc commands used in Ansible tool. Thank you.